Hey guys, welcome back to Taco Cat Plays, and today I'm going to be unboxing the GAN 460M V2. So yeah, the GAN 460M V2. I'm just gonna call this the GAN 4x4. The GAN 4x4. People said it turns way better than the past released ones. So I had to get it for myself. This cost like $6-7. Bro, why did I add that into the? Yeah, it's Wait, this is an unboxing channel. Why is it still in the box? Let's get that out of there. And nice, you got a credit card. I'm rich. I'm rich! Let's see what we got in here. It's GAN 460M. Oh, it's like the... Okay, we got a... Oh, this is big. This is a big cube bag. If you're wondering, it's bigger than previous cube bags. As you can see, like slightly bigger. This is the GAN 16, and this is the GAN 460. As you can see, both of them put on top. The GAN 460 is slightly bigger. Dog, who the hell cares about all this stuff? And now, time for the cube. Yes, that's the average unboxing spirit. Oh, I forgot this full. We got the cube and... What is this? Can somebody tell me what it is? Okay, and here's the cube. And for first turns. So yeah, we're gonna do one solve to prove everything. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.